The procedure for creating the primary outline of the tooth, the primary shape, is with Super Snap. It comes in 4 different grits, 2 different diameters, large and small, and the black is one-sided for coarse for contouring to create the different geometric planes of the tooth. The violet is medium. The violet is 2-sided. The violet can give you the finishing techniques that you do before the polishing techniques. The red is superfine, and it gets into places and creates a semi-luster to the tooth. The black is impregnated with silicon carbide. The other discs are aluminous oxide. Easy to use in different areas, whether you buy a whole kit or unidose. Very easy to understand and implement in your practice. On interproximal areas, using the green, double-sided, one can finish your margins into a seamless transition, incisal, reduction, and since they're 2-sided, a back action to create the interproximal embrasures. There's not much debris that comes off these discs, something I like. Predictable procedures to finish your composites. Super Snap discs.